Welcome to your 10-minute low back relief. These moves will help relieve pain and stiffness. Let's get started. Up first, standing cat-cow to wake up your spine. Roll through cat-cow, one vertebrae at a time. Every gentle wave rehydrates your spinal discs, the secret to keeping your back young and flexible. Next, your number one back protecting skill, the hip hinge. Send your hips back, not down, with a long spine. Most back pain comes from bending wrong. This move teaches your body the safe, powerful way to lift. Now we unlock the hips that silently strain your back. Glide side to side, open your inner thighs. Tight hips force your back to overwork, and this stretch takes the load off instantly. Balance meets stability in one simple move. As you cross, your core fires to steady you. This teaches your back to handle twists in real life without pain. Stronger glutes, freer spine, 2 fixes in one. Lift into bridge as your arms arc overhead. Glutes take the strain off your back, while the reach reopens the chest that slouching locks down. This is your spine's armor, deep core stability. Press your low back into the mat as opposite arm and leg reach. You are training the hidden muscles that protect every step, every lift, every twist. Fire up the forgotten back muscles that hold you tall. Lift your chest gently, one arm reaching forward. These postural muscles fight gravity, giving you strength to stand without tension weighing you down. Deep release, your back and ribs finally get space. Sink back and walk your hands to the side. This stretch lengthens the spine and opens the ribs, freeing your breath and calming your nervous system. Balance, control, and spine strength all in one. Keep your spine steady as you extend opposite arm and leg. This anti-rotation strength is the difference between a vulnerable back and a resilient one. We reset with knee to chest rocking. Pull your knees in and gently rock side to side. This massages your low back, melts stiffness, and calms the muscles that guard against pain. Mobility meets stability with cat-cow plus reach. Flow through cat-cow, then reach one arm long. This combines spinal motion with shoulder control, building freedom without losing strength. Final move, open your chest, strengthen your spine. Rest in Sphinx, then sweep one arm to the side. This strengthens your low back while unlocking rotation in your upper spine. Perfect balance. Amazing work. Your spine is freer and more resilient. Come back whenever your body needs relief.